So for today's portion of the vlog, we are going to be making these Betty Crocker salted caramel cookies. If y'all don't know me, I'm a sucker for sweets and I love caramel. Like that's always what I get at Starbucks. I get the caramel mocha frappuccino. It's so good. And so when I saw these cookies at Walmart, I died just a little on the inside because they look delicious. And I have my cookie sheet here. I actually may not even include this in the vlog. If it's good enough, I may just make it a video within itself. So I'm not sure when you guys will be seeing it, but today is Halloween. Let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on post bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you like me baking, click the thumbs up. Now, I'm no Betty Crocker, obviously, but I thought I would just try this and be different. Okay, so I need 1 cup of I need half a cup of butter and then 1 egg. So let me grab that real fast. And then you can just like cut where you need it. It should say like 1 cup on here somewhere. Oh, 1 stick. Oh, okay, duh. Okay, I just need 1 stick. That makes life easier. Alright, let me get a bowl. Okay, got my bowl right here. Got my ingredients. So I need to stir the cookie mix, softened butter, and an egg in a medium bowl until well blended. Okay, let me grab my blender real fast. Comment down below what you dressed up as for Halloween, and comment down below what your favorite like Halloween treat is. Like if you were to bake something for Halloween, what would it be? I'm thinking about dressing up, but I don't even know if we're still doing anything because it honestly might rain. It really sucks. The weather is not good right now. I mean, as for right now, it's not raining, but later in the day, it is 10:22 a.m. right now, and I think around like 1 or 2, it's gonna rain. And then rain like all night long. Okay, so I have my blender, obviously. Let me go ahead and pour everything in this bowl. Oh my gosh, it has like little bits of caramel in there. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a salted caramel like cupcake, which I've had, and those are good. Sometimes I get those from Sprinkles, or like I said, my drink from Starbucks is what I get the most. Okay, do you say caramel or caramel? Comment down below as well. Okay, so heat oven to 375. Actually, I may not do that yet because it doesn't say preheat, it just says heat. And I don't want to I don't want the oven to be too hot and then they burn. That would be embarrassing for the video. Okay, let me go ahead and put this egg in here. I hate touching raw eggs. So nasty, and like raw meat. Ugh. My mom would like never let my brother and I have cookie dough because of the egg in it. I'm not a girl. People do that anyways. It says I need to soften this, but I don't know. I think it's pretty soft, but maybe I'll throw it in the microwave for a couple seconds. I think that's actually perfect. It just means it doesn't want it like super hard because it needs to like gather with the dough, if you will. I act like I know what I'm talking about. Okay. Now, you're not going to be able to hear me, so I'll probably fast forward through this part, but I have to mix this, so BRB. Why is my blender not working? What is going on? Okay guys, so I have my cookies here on the cookie sheets. Hopefully you guys can see. And I'm about to put them in the oven right now. I actually just now turned the oven on. So I was gonna kind of give it a couple of minutes to heat up. But then I will throw those in there. And it says they bake about 8 to 10 minutes, so I'll bring you guys back with me when they are done. But let me throw them in here. They look so yummy. Now I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes. Our oven cooks really fast though, so it kind of makes me nervous. So actually I may set it for like 8, and then if they're not done, because you can always cook more, you can't uncook it. Just remember that. I honestly feel like 8 minutes isn't going to be long enough though, because like I said, I just now turned on our oven and I did 375 instead of 350. So we will see, but I will come back in about 7 minutes now and see if they're done. See you then, guys. Okay guys, so update. The cookies are obviously done. They had to go longer than 10 minutes. They're like perfect though, like they're like the perfect cookie. I don't want to mess with them because they're cool. So what we're gonna do while they cool is take this trash bag to the dumpster. It's not raining, I just looked. So I'm going to take you guys with me to do that. And then we'll come back. And then we will come back and check on the cookies. So, sorry, I know it's dark. It's supposed to rain today. So like I said earlier, it's supposed to rain today. Crazy. Thankfully we have like a dumpster right outside our door. It's super handy because if we have like boxes or anything, we can just bring them out here. Wow, it feels amazing out here. You know how like sometimes before it rains it's really muggy and hot? It's not. That rhymed. Bye, trash. Without you. I'm sorry. I had to go to the dumpster. Okay. My brother's blowing up my phone. Sorry. She's gonna bark now. So these are gonna cool a little longer, and then I'm going to put them away. What is going on? Then I'm going to put them away. And yeah, I may check back in with you guys. I may upload this video separate from the rest of the vlog. I'm not sure yet. Stay tuned.